Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay students, today let's start with our Islamiyat. The topic we are going to do is Angels of Allah. As we have already done this topic in class, let's revise it. Okay? Question number 1 is, who are angels? Very good. Creation of Allah. Very good students. Once again, who are angels? Creation of Allah. The next question is, what are angels made of? Very good. Noor, that means light. Very good. Noor means light. Once again, what are angels made of? Noor means light. Very good. Okay students, let's recite dua for increasing knowledge. Recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. Once again, Rabbi zidni ilma. O God, increase my knowledge. Now here what you have to do, that you are going to revise these two questions and dua. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.